Hello students, in this lecture we will start second chapter, which is the derivative and the mean value theorems, right? Hanji. So first of all, what we mean by derivability of a function? A function f defined on closed interval ab is said to be differentiable at point C in AB if limit h tending to 0 f at c plus h minus f at c upon h exists, right? अगर तो ये लिमिट एग्जिस्ट करेगी then we say f is differentiable at the point c and it is denoted by, if this limit exists then this limit is denoted by f dash c. ठीक है, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ f at point c. Okay, Haji. Next, there is a small relation between continuity and differentiability. The relation between continuity and differentiability is derivability implies continuity. That is, a function which is differentiable at a point C will definitely be continuous at that point. ठीक है, जो फंक्शन किसी पॉइंट पे डिफरेंशिएबल होगा वो जरूरी है कि कंटिन्यूस भी होगा. हाँ जी. नेक्स्ट इन दिस एक्सरसाइज, दिस फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज of this chapter is very simple, which uses only one thing, that is chain rule of derivative. So what is chain rule? It says if y is a function of u is a function of x, ठीक है, so that y will be a function of x only, then what is derivative of y with respect to x? It is derivative of y with respect to u into derivative of u with respect to x, right? Same way, this rule can be extended to 3 steps. Y is a function of u is a function of v is a function of x. Then again, dy by dx is dy by du by dv into dv by dx and so on, right? So using this, we will do examples. Example number 1. It says differentiate x square plus x raised to 4 with respect to x. इस फंक्शन को हमने डिफरेंशिएट करना है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. सॉल्यूशन, सो लेट y be equal to x square plus x raised to 4, right? Let u be equal to x square plus x, so that y becomes u raised to 4 and u is equal to what? X square plus x. So we have two situations. Y is a function of u and u is a function of x. ठीक है, so what is derivative of y with respect to x? So we have y equal to u raised to 4 and u is equal to x square plus x. By chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. ठीक है, so what is this? What is derivative of y with respect to u? It is 4 times u cube. What is derivative of u with respect to x? It is 2x plus 1. Put the value of u in terms of x. U is x square plus x raised to 3 into 2x plus 1. The derivative of y with respect to x is given by this. Next is example number 2. It says differentiate 3 plus 4x upon 2 minus x whole square with respect to x, right? So again we have the same situation. Y is equal to 3 plus 4x upon 2 minus x का whole square. We have to differentiate y with respect to x. So here let y be equal to u square where u is 3 plus 4x upon 2 minus x. इस पूरे फंक्शन को हमने u के बराबर मान लिया तो ये y क्या बन गया u square. So again we have the same situation. Y is a function of u and u is a function of x. So dy by dx by chain rule is given by dy by du into du by dx. What is dy by du? It is 2 times u. What is du by dx? Du by dx, this we will calculate by quotient rule 2 minus x ka whole square. First function as it is, 2 minus x as it is. Differentiation of second function which is 4 minus first function as it is. Differentiation of this function which is minus 1. ठीक है, तो ये क्या बन गया 2 times u 8 minus 4x plus 3 minus हाँ जी ये बन जाएगा plus 3 plus 4x upon 2 minus 6 का whole square. 4x cancel, so it is 11 into 2 22 times u upon 2 minus 6 का whole square. ठीक है, put the value of u back into it. It is 22 times u is 3 minus 4x, 3 plus 4x upon 2 minus 6, 1 upon 2 minus 6 का whole square, which is 22 times 3 plus 4x upon 2 minus 6 का whole cube. ठीक है, so this is derivative of y with respect to x. Next is example number 4. It says y is vq plus 2v square plus 5. V is 3 times u plus 1. U is 9x plus 1. Find dy by dx. So we have y is a function of v, v is a function of u, u is a function of x. So by chain rule dy by dx is dy by dv, dv by du, du by dx. What is derivative of y with respect to v? 3v square plus 4v. dv by du is 3, du by dx is 9. That is 27 times 4v plus 3v square. v की वैल्यू वापस पुट कर देते हैं हम. 27 times 4 times 3u plus 1 plus 3 times 3u plus 1 का होल स्क्वायर. ठीक है, तो ये जो हमने वापस वैल्यू इसमें पुट की है, you again substitute the value of u here. 27 times 4 times 3 times 9x plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 times 3u 3 times 9x plus 1 का whole square. ठीक है, solve it, where after solving you will get the polynomial expression in x only. ठीक है, that will give you derivative of y with respect to x. Next example, differentiate y equal to 1 plus x square with respect to x. ठीक है, so again let y be equal to 1 plus x square and you put u equal to 1 plus x square, so that it becomes y equal to root u and u is 1 plus x square. So dy by dx will be dy by du times du by dx. dy by du क्या होगा 1 by 2 root u. du by dx क्या होगा 2x, 2 to cancel. So this is x upon root u. u की वैल्यू वापस पुट कर देते हैं, x upon root of x square. Okay. Next example. This exercise is very easy, which uses only one rule, which is chain rule. Example number 5. It says if y is equal to root of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, find dy by dx. So again, let y be equal to root u, where u is equal to 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. So dy by du will be 1 upon 2 root u, and du by dx will be 1 plus x का whole square, 1 plus x as it is, minus 1 minus x into 1, it will be minus 2 upon 1 plus x का whole square. ठीक है, so dy by dx will be dy by du times du by dx. It will be equal to 1 by 2 root u minus 2 upon 1 plus x का whole square. 2 और 2 cancel, so this is minus 1 upon रूट यू 1 प्लस एक्स की होल स्क्वायर. ठीक है, तो ये बन जाएगा माइनस 1 ओवर 1 माइनस एक्स 1 प्लस एक्स 1 प्लस एक्स का होल स्क्वायर. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग यू विल गेट दिस इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 अपॉन 1 माइनस एक्स का की पावर 1 बाई 2 1 प्लस एक्स की पावर 3 बाई 2. ठीक है जी. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल is example number 6. Differentiate x plus x square plus a square raised to n with respect to x. Solution: let y be equal to x plus x square plus a square की power n. You put u equal to x plus root of x square plus a square, so that y becomes u to the power n and u becomes x plus square root of x square plus a square. So dy by dx will be dy by du into du by dx. dy by du किसके बराबर है? n times u की power n minus 1 के, and du by dx किसके बराबर आएगा? 1 plus 1 over 2 root of x square plus a square into 2x. 2 cancel, so it will be n times u की power n minus 1 into 1 plus x upon square root of x square plus a square. And it will be equal to n times u की वैल्यू वापस पुट कर देते हैं, x plus root of x square plus a square whole power n minus 1, और अंदर क्या बचेगा? 1 plus x upon root of x square plus a square. Okay. Next example number 7. Find dy by dx where y is 2x plus 3 का whole square plus 8 का whole cube. Solution: so let u be equal to 2x plus 3 का whole square plus 8. So y becomes u cube and u is 2x plus 3 का whole square plus 8. So dy by du into du by dx will be dy by dx. This will be equal to dy by du is 3u square, du by dx is 2x plus 3 into 2 plus 8. So this is 3 times u square, 4 times 2x plus 3 plus 8. Okay. Now you put the value of u in terms of x, you will get dy by dx. So this is all that we have to do in this lecture. आप इसकी जो exercise है, that is exercise number 2.1. ठीक है, you can complete this exercise and solve all the questions. ठीक है, और उस एक्सरसाइज के सारे क्वेश्चंस को आप अपनी नोटबुक में फेयर नोटबुक में उतार लीजिए. ठीक है, इसी एक्सरसाइज में सिर्फ यही है चेन रूल. ओके, थैंक यू.